Do you know that the slow, graceful movements of Tai Chi you often see in parks, movies, are actually a powerful martial art? Yes, my friends, it's true. Originating from ancient China, Tai Chi is a martial art that combines deep breathing and relaxation with flowing movements. But don't let its serene facade fool. Beneath the calm exterior lies a treasure trove of martial techniques. Each movement, while appearing slow and gentle, is a calculated expression of power and strategy from the outside. It looks like a graceful dance, but each step and each turn is designed to harness your inner strength, improve balance, and build endurance. Remember the adage, still waters run. Deep well in the world of martial arts, Tai Chi is the embodiment of that saying. It's deceptive. Simplicity conceals an intricate system of self-defense techniques that require both physical and mental prowess. Tai Chi is just not for your grandma. It's a full-body workout hidden in plain sight. Tai Chi, the ancient Chinese art, is not just about self-defense. It's a treasure trove of benefits waiting to be unlocked. Let's start with the physical perks. Imagine being as supple as a gymnast, as strong as a weightlifter, and balanced as a ballet dancer. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But with Tai Chi, this can be your reality. This martial art form is all slow, deliberate movements that stretch and strengthen your muscles, boosting your flexibility and strength. And the best part, you don't have to lift a single dumbbell or do a push-up. Now, let's talk about balance. We're just referring to not tripping over your own feet, though. That's a definite plus. Tai Chi teaches you to coordinate your body movements, improving your physical equilibrium. So you can say goodbye to those embarrassing stumbles and awkward teeter-totters. But Tai Chi isn't a body workout. It's a mind workout, too, to illustrate. Let's take a detour and meet John. John is an office worker, tangled in daily grind, deadlines, and stress. His life was a whirlwind of tasks and tension until John discovered Tai Chi like a calm oasis in the middle of a storm. The movements focus on breathing. It all helped him slow down, relax, and focus. He found himself less stressed, more focused, and even more productive at work. Every Tai Chi session was like hitting a reset button on his mind, and that's all. Tai Chi also improves sleep, reduces anxiety, and can even boost your mood. It's like a natural antidepressant without the side effects. So there you have it, folks. Tai Chi is a single practice that offers a myriad of benefits. It's not just an exercise. It's a form of meditation, a stress buster, a strength builder, so much more. Tai Chi. It's a lifestyle that enhances both your body and mind. You might think Tai Chi sounds great, but also sounds complex. Don't worry, it's easier to get started than you might think. Tai Chi is like a gentle whisper in world of martial arts. Its quiet, flowing movements might seem mystifying at first, but don't let that intimidate you. The beauty of Tai Chi is that it can be learned at any age, and you don't need to be a professional athlete or a kung fu master to start. It's a martial art that's as welcoming to the spry 20-something as it is to those in golden years. So how do you get started finding a class or a first step to look for local community centers, fitness clubs, or even online platforms? Many Tai Chi instructors offer beginner classes, and these are perfect for learning the basics. But what can you expect in your first few sessions? Well, brace yourself for a pleasant surprise. Unlike the fast-paced, sweat-dripping workout sessions that most fitness regimes offer, Tai Chi is all slow, controlled movements. It's more of a moving meditation, really. You'll start by learning some basic postures, like grasping the sparrow's tail or white crane spreading its wings. Don't worry, if these names sound exotic, they're just poetic ways of describing the movements. And remember, Tai Chi is not a race. It's a journey, one to be savored and enjoyed at your pace. Might fumble a bit in the beginning, but that's okay. It's all part of the learning process. The key is to be patient with yourself, with time and practice. You'll find the rhythm that suits best. So whether you're looking to improve your health, reduce stress, or just try something new, Tai Chi is a fantastic option. It's a practice where the journey is just as important, if not more so, than the destination. Remember, every master was once a beginner. Your Thai journey starts with a single step. Now that you know the secret power of Tai Chi, it's time to take action. Imagine waking up each morning with a sense, tranquility, the energy flowing through your body like a gentle stream. That's the magic of Tai Chi, the ancient martial art that has been transforming lives for centuries. And the best part is that it's waiting for you to give it a try. Tai Chi isn't just about mastering elegant movements. It's about embracing a healthier and happier lifestyle. Remember those unexpected benefits. We talked about stress reduction, improved mood, better sleep, enhanced cognitive function, and let's not forget a stronger, more flexible body. Sounds like a pretty sweet deal, doesn't it? But the true beauty of Tai Chi lies in its simplicity. You don't need a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment. All you need is a little bit of space and the willingness to learn, whether you're in the comfort of your living room or the serenity of a nearby park. Tai Chi can be practiced anywhere, anytime. So why not give it a shot? You've nothing to lose and a lot to gain. Start small, maybe with a minute each day. As you become more comfortable with the movements and gradually increase your practice time, remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. And as you embark on this new journey, know that you're not alone. There's a whole community of Tai Chi enthusiasts out there who are ready to support and guide. It's like joining a new family, a family that celebrates health, wellness, and the joy of movement. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself and experience the magic firsthand. After all, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this, a single Tai Chi move. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start your Tai Chi journey today, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights and tips. Stay healthy, stay fit.